Right, so we had our full page sort of Facebook, maybe not Facebook, a YouTube sort of type video. We can now create from the same one for no extra cost an Instagram video, but we're gonna have to edit it to make sure the letters work. So we're gonna customize and create an Instagram or Facebook or social media post. And look, you're gonna see it's gonna put things on that are out of place. Right? So you're not going to get in both golfers, are you? Because it's a square, the ratio doesn't work. I don't think you can... I'm not sure if you can zoom in or zoom out, but I think the ratio doesn't work. So let's move this golfer to the middle. Let's put the text up a bit. Let's have a look where it is on this one. Again, we need to put it up out of the way. And then finally... that looks okay, right? So now, yeah, we haven't got the moon in the background. We haven't got the guy holding the flag because it doesn't quite fit. In fact, I would say he's maybe a little bit too far over. And let's put him right in the middle, right? Because he's going to walk in. He walks into the middle. For me, golf is an right. We're going to publish it. And now we've got the full version, big version for something like YouTube or a TV ad or some sort of big screen. And now we've got a square version that we can post to Instagram, right? In fact, I might post it to Instagram on my social. So now, here we go. I highlight this and I can download it. There we go. Right. There we go. Now we've got an Instagram video. So within 30 minutes, we've created a full video that we can post. I'm going to post it to my Instagram. I can post it via Zoho Social. Turn this off. Let's go here. Downloads. This one. Oh, I tell you what I should have done. Golfing this year. I should probably have put Happy Me or Paul Nicholson, right? But there, that's going to post it. Video's going to be published, but now we've got, and we can do the same again with a vertical. So this would be better for Facebook, right? This would be for scrolling things like Facebook. I'm not sure Twitter does stuff like this, does it? But let's go. Where's he going to come in? All right, we need him further over. We need you further over, Papa. Go back here. We might want to make this bigger because it seems to have gone small. Let's go with this one. Done. Again, move it out of the way. Make it bigger. Oh, we did it again, didn't we? We moved this guy a little bit too far over. So where is it? Where is he? Yeah, it's alright. He's a smidge too far over, but I'm not losing any sleep. What's the outro look like? Join our beautiful golf club. Publish. We got 3 videos. Right, let me go to my Instagram. Nobody ever goes to my Instagram except for me. Here we go. Right, it's on my Instagram. Done within 30 minutes. So people may complain about the pricing, but right.